Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Your mobile phone now still light mode open. If you are on dark mode, open your mobile phone. But searching your mobile phone dark mode, not opening but not searching this setting. I will setting this dark mode. Hopefully you and all watching viewers this video see watching and learn this setting. First, search your mobile phone setting apps. When get setting apps, then click setting apps and search display. Display, click display option. Display option click and first setting light mode and dark mode. Still your mobile phone light mode. If you want dark mode, then click dark mode option. All mobile phone dark mode. All setting dark mode. Thank you watching my video.